Nhất xa sẽ hơi chính em đem cái chính nhập.
Hắn nghe lại phim ngay sẽ.
Bác có bài bên nghe. Nãy thì bro chính em nghĩ nắp xin nhớ cái tay pop. Bác cầm bà bà chungi.
Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat pinjasliang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
MLA Kanong Thamai constituency uba Charles Pingrup uloong bahadu menta udang perkhat la undang don ne em bat ka TMC hanrei unyai ne bat ka hadu bakut ka samoy trekam bat hadien kata un haban syong perkhat bat kinong kershan namarba kam syong hu marwei ula ongru bahari khasi jaintia kadau bakipaj ba kimpediang ya ka TMC kamdai bakamla trekam hanrei kidon kidau kiba om kwa satya ban penpau hang ni.
Seems to be a bleak future for TMC in at least Khasi Hills Regency.
Yeah, that I must admit. It is bleak.
In that case, what will be your personal future political plans?
Well, I'll see. As of now, I'm TMC. I will remain there till the end of the term. Now, at that time, I will have to really think as to what to do. If I don't contest from the TMC, because if I don't have the base, everybody contests to win, no one contests to lose. So if the base is not there, then I'll have to seek another option, depending on the inputs I get from the ground from my supporters. So after all, in the end, if your supporters are not with you, then it's difficult. It's not a one-man show.
So, in your opinion, what went wrong with TMC in Khasi Hills Regency, Khasi Indian Hills?
See, it is a statement which I cannot make in public, because the sentiments towards the TMC in Khasi and Jayante was not based on the factor of inefficiency. There was other factors which I cannot disclose in the public domain.
Oh, for once I'm ready before her. Chale!
Gorgeous.
Let's go!
Coming. How much you honk, yeah?
Come on, we should leave.
Chill. It's just family.
Exactly. और घर वाले ही late.
By the way, how am I looking?
Very late.
Streamers, caps, candles, a cake, definitely balloons. सब आ गया. Wait a minute. Where is everyone? Show off.
Hey bro, how's it going?
एक बात बता, सबसे फास्ट होकर भी हमेशा लेट कैसे?
Style bro, style.
Hello guys, where's the birthday boy?
यहीं कहीं होगा, अपने फीचर्स को रील्स पे शो ऑफ करता हुआ.
इतना बिगाड़ा जो है. Automatic gearbox, ventilated seats, sunroof.
क्यों ना हो? फैमिली का सबसे यंगेस्ट भी तो है. Let's go guys, party time.
Skoda.